Gotta go to Dallas just to play a job. Austin's okay, you know, but the time's so doggone hard. Well, you got me, baby. That's one thing I don't enjoy. But you go ahead. I know you're nothing but a big town playboy. Well, you run the streets all day, honey. Come home late at night, and you have the nerve to tell me that you ain't been doing bad. So go ahead, baby. That's one thing I don't enjoy. But everything's okay. I know you're nothing but a big town playboy.
Thank you.